Hello and welcome to Sanam's kitchen. Today I have Chinese vegetable spring rolls, which are very popular starter or a snack that is served in any Indo-Chinese restaurants. It is very flavorful and full of vegetables. So let's get started. Now you can choose any vegetable that you like, but the cabbage is the main one. So I have 1.5 cup of cabbage, thinly sliced. I have some capsicum or bell pepper in different colors and soybean sprouts. Now if you don't want to use soybean sprouts, you can always use noodles. Thinly sliced carrots, thinly sliced green onion, grated ginger, grated garlic, and I have a 2 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce, finely chopped green chili, this is optional, egg roll wrappers, 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and salt to taste. Now heat a pan or wok. Add oil. When oil is sizzling hot, add green onions. Stir fry. We are going to stir fry all the vegetables on a high heat. So we will be continuing stirring it. So I'm going to add ginger and garlic. Now add green chilies. I like it a little bit spicy, so I added green chilies and thinly sliced carrots. Now carrot takes a little bit time to cook, so we are going to stir fry this. Once it's halfway cooked, I'm going to add soy sauce and thinly sliced capsicum or bell pepper. It's already looking very flavorful and very colorful. So I'm going to add soybean sprouts. Soybean sprouts are very high in protein, so that's why I like to use it. You can also use mung sprout or boiled noodles instead. Now I'm going to add cabbage and chili garlic sauce. This will add very good flavor. It's spicy, garlicky, sweet and sour taste to my spring rolls. And at last I'm going to add salt, and after you add salt, turn off the heat because we don't want to overcook them, otherwise it will start releasing water. Now let this mixture cool and then we are going to wrap. So egg roll wraps are very easily available in the market. I bought it from store. So it's very thin wrappers, so I'm going to lay it diagonally like this and put the filling in one side wrapper just like this in the corner, and I'm using water to seal the edges. So I'm going to fold it from both sides like this and just roll it. So while you roll it, just apply a little pressure so that it sticks really well and it won't open while we will fry them. You can look at it one more time. So from the edge, folding from both sides and then roll them up. Nice and easy. So the spring rolls are ready for frying. Now I have heated the oil. It's already hot, not smoking hot, but medium high. And fry the spring rolls until they are nice and golden. So now the spring rolls are ready. It's nice and golden brown and it's really crunchy. I can hear the sound. Now I'm going to take it out on a kitchen paper towel to drain the excess oil. Okay, so the spring rolls are ready. Look how nice and golden it looks, and it's so crunchy on the outside and all the vegetable goodness inside. Let me show you how it looks. You can see all the vegetables in there, soybean sprouts, carrots, cabbage, and it's just awesome. Serve it while hot with your favorite dipping sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more such recipes. Also, you can visit my channel page. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.